This is how to make boring conversations interesting. Have you ever found yourself struggling to listen to someone because you just can't relate to them and what they're talking about, or you don't have any interest in what they're saying? How often have you heard someone complain about their child's school policies or discuss their favorite podcast you have no interest in? Well, you have options. You can ignore them and damage your relationship with them for obvious reasons. You can put up with it and sit through this challenge of engaging in a topic you have little desire to hear about. Or there's a third option. You can guide the conversation. Now, the person leading the dance is the one that chooses the direction. The one leading the waltz determines what side of the room you end up on. It's the same with conversations. The person asking the questions is leading the dance. Now, if you're bored with the other person's discussion about their annoying boss, ask, "So, what advice would you have for me with my boss?" If the person's talking about a technical process of their job and you're not interested, ask, "So, what would that ultimately do to help your customer?" That paints a better picture for you to follow. Now, every story has value, even the boring ones. It's all about finding the value in the lesson they might have learned from the story. Getting people to focus their topic to a point that's useful to you is much more interesting. They don't feel like you've changed the subject, and people love to give advice. It makes them feel important. So listening fully, then asking for the meaning they found or the value in the lesson or the advice they'd give to someone can make people feel really good. And it makes the conversation much more interesting for you. Try it. It's going to make every boring conversation much more interesting. Thanks for watching 2-Minute Mindsets. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll send you a video response, and we'll see you next time.